So, I have this childhood watch, well, it's a pocket watch, quartz. See, see what's doing there? I don't know why it's doing that. Huh. If I can't fix this, what makes you think I'm going to be able to fix a mechanical watch? Found it. So the battery has already been taken out because I discovered this problem. December 16th, 2025. Brian. Woo! I'm good at this. I got it. It's not even broken. Weird. How's this crown come out? Just like that. Yeah. Why is it doing that? Oh, I think the hands fell off. I can't see. You see me struggling over here? Wow. That's all blurry. Oh, I know what probably happened. Guys. So, I've had this I probably had this piece since I was, I don't know, 10. So when I went to replace the battery, you have to take this plastic piece off, and I think what happened is when I pried too hard, the dial was jammed up in the case, and I may have pulled the hands off. Yeah, the hands. Ooh. Yeah, so I gotta fix those hands. I think that hour hand's on there kind of weird. Okay, so now I gotta take the hands off. Oh, dang it. Hey guys, I got a movement holder. You'll never be able to tell. You flippin' idiot. Where's she on? I don't know how good of an idea it is to have this hold the case. Or not the case, the dial. Oh, weird. It holds a lot better now. This just wants to keep popping off. Watch hand removers. I need those. I also need to stop dropping my movements. Different tweezers. Don't drop movement. No. Spider! Go live somewhere else. Did I break this thing for good now? finger cots? Nah, you don't need those. I can see it spinning. Why can't? Why is the date wheel not? Was I spinning it the wrong way? Four minutes of spinning it the wrong way. Ah! Are you sure you want to get into this? Anyways, why? Oh, these parts are so small. Does the hour hand go on first? Dang it.
The top 6 references from Seiko that are the most collected from our date.
Be quiet, Teddy. Okay, we're gonna put the hour hand on first. I'm gonna put the hour hand on first, then the minute on the second. Oh man. Wow, the guys on TV make this look easy. Oh, let's get you on. Let's get you on screen. Watch hand pusher. It has to stay, because of this, your watch hands have to stay up and down. I do know this. Is that going to be too tight? I don't know. I pushed that kind of hard, didn't I? Arrgh. You guys having as much fun as me? Scrape it across. That's awesome. That's awesome. I can't see. Yeah. I'm just bending it. Guys, I promise I'll get better at this. I need to be able to see what I'm doing. Did that click to 22 twice? We'll see what happens next time around. 23. 23. That's a weird thing. But let's not worry about that. Oh, these pliers suck. Come on. Look how small that is. Good thing I'm never planning on selling this. I can't see. There's a lot of play in that. Arrgh. How do you get that little guy in the hole? Just pick it up and drop it in. Casio's mocking me. These tweezers suck. Yeah, the light's gonna help, right? I will never use these tweezers again. It's going on 32 minutes. Does it really need a second hand? I'm really getting irritated, guys. I can't see. I think that's gonna help, but it's not. That explains a lot. There, easy. This dial will be ruined in, I don't know, 2 years because I have no finger cots on. 10 minutes off, whatever. Batteries. Should be able to get this thing ticking again. I need a third hand. Or. That's funny. To me. Oh, man. Yeah, trust these. Oh, let's get you in. Okay. Whew. Easy. Oh, hold on. Let's put this back in first. I can see. Has a hack. That's cool. There it is. That was not a graceful fix. What's today's date? 26th? 26, 3, 310. You see me check the... Guys, I promise I could read a analog clock. I just, it's later than I thought it was. Is... That was weird. I think there's something else going on with this watch. But the hands don't jam up now. It's ticking. So we'll call that good. Well, ish.